Crafting perfect candy at home starts with the right tools, and choosing the best saucepan for candy making is essential. The best saucepan for candy making ensures precise temperature control, even heating, and prevents burning, helping you achieve sweet success every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Candy Making Saucepan. If you make candy often, the Cuisinart Candy Making Saucepan earns a dedicated spot on your stove because it marries the fast, even responsiveness sugar work demands with day-to-day durability. Cuisinart's professional triple-ply construction places a pure aluminum core between stainless layers, and the brand's heat surround technology drives that heat not only across the base, but up the sidewalls, hugely helpful when you need syrup to cook uniformly without scorching rings. The non-reactive stainless cooking surface won't discolor or pick up flavors from acidic ingredients like fruit purees or vinegar used in caramel sauces, so your toffee tastes like butter and sugar, not last night's tomato soup. Handy-etched measurement markings save you from extra cups when dissolving precise sugar-to-water ratios, while the drip-free rim and tight flavor lock lid help manage evaporation control during the early dissolve stage. I especially appreciate the cool grip riveted stainless handle. It stays manageable over high heat and feels secure when you're swirling syrup to prevent crystallization or pouring out molten candy. Because the pan is fully clad, it transitions cleanly between gas, electric, and induction, and it tolerates the high, sustained temperatures required for brittle, English toffee, or cooked fondant bases. Cleanup is a relief after sticky batches. The whole piece is dishwasher safe, and burnt sugar releases surprisingly well after a warm soak. Number 2. Calphalon Candy Making Saucepan. The Calphalon Candy Making Saucepan is a smart workhorse choice when you want dependable performance for syrups, caramels, and small batch brittles without springing for a fully clad line. Its impact-bonded aluminum base spreads heat broadly across the bottom, giving you the even simmer sugar requires to dissolve cleanly and climb through temperature stages without localized hotspots that concede graininess. Because the stainless walls are sturdy yet not overly thick, the pan heats quickly and cools responsively when you pull it off the burner to halt carryover, handy for precision tasks like soft caramel. Calphalon's long, stay-cool stainless handle provides excellent leverage for swirling rather than stirring to minimize crystallization, and the helper features shine during candy sessions. Interior measurement marks speed your water to sugar setup, the built-in pour spouts help you decant molten syrup with control, and the straining lid makes it easy to rinse nuts or fruit before folding them into nougat or praline. The clear tempered glass lid lets you watch the initial dissolve without lifting and reintroducing crystals, and once syrup is cooking, you can angle the lid to manage evaporation. Cleanup rarely intimidates because the pan is dishwasher safe. Sticky residue usually releases after a brief hot soak. It is oven safe to 450 degrees F, so you can keep praline nuts warm or finish tosses that accompany confections directly in the same vessel, and it plays nicely with most stovetops including induction, gas, electric, and glass, expanding where you can cook. Although only the base is bonded aluminum, heat does not climb the sidewalls as aggressively as in tri-ply plans. Careful burner centering and moderate heat ramping deliver reliable results for most candy styles under a gallon. Number 3. AVACRAFT Candy Making Saucepan. AVACRAFT's Candy Making Saucepan brings a surprising number of confectioner-friendly touches to an affordable 3.5-quart pan, making a strong pick if you want one pot that multitasks from caramel to custard. Built from 18.0 food-grade stainless with a specially constructed 5-ply, multi-clad encapsulated base, it delivers excellent heat buffering so sugar melts evenly and holds a steady climb without scorching rings at the contact point. That extra thermal mass also reduces temperature swings when you add butter, cream, or nuts to hot syrup, a common moment when lesser pans seize or throw crystals. Inside, a matte finish helps mask and resist the hairline scratches that tend to trap sugar crystals over time, while easy-read measurement marks simplify dissolving precise sugar-to-water ratios, or reducing fruit purees to target volumes. Dual pour spouts on both sides of the rim accommodate right and left-handed pouring, great when you're stream pouring sugar into whipping egg whites for Italian meringue, or pulling taffy onto marble. The shatterproof glass lid doubles as a built-in strainer with holes on each side of the rim, eliminating a colander when draining nuts, candying citrus peel, or blanching add-ins for pralines. A silicone-shaded lid handle stays cooler and gives a non-slip grab with gloved, sticky, or buttery hands. A long, well-balanced stainless handle keeps knuckles away from steam plumes and provides controlled swirling to wash down pan sides without stirring. At roughly 3.8 pounds, the pot feels substantial enough to stay planted when you clip on a thermometer, yet light enough to lift and pour confidently. It's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, expanding where you can cook, and the stainless build is dishwasher and refrigerator safe, so you can chill ganache or nougat mixtures directly in the same vessel.
Number 4. NutriChef Candy Making Saucepan. When you scale candy beyond gift tins and into bake sale or cottage food volumes, capacity beats finesse, and that's where the NutriChef Candy Making Saucepan, a 19-quart stainless stock pot, shines. Its cavernous size gives superheated syrups headspace to surge without boiling over. Whether you're cooking caramel corn glaze, maple taffy for crowds, or multi-pound hard candy bases to flavor in batches. Made with an 18/8 food-grade stainless interior over an impact-bonded base, approximately 0.228-inch thick, it spreads heat broadly and shrugs off the pitting, staining, and flavor ghosting that can plague raw aluminum kettles. That thermal mass helps big batches climb steadily through softball, hard crack, and caramelization stages. Clip in a long stem candy or digital probe thermometer for precision. Riveted ergonomic loop handles accept oven mitts and support the weight of gallons of 300-degree Fahrenheit syrup. And the pot's 7.4-pound heft with lid feels reassuringly planted on the burner. A vented, see-through tempered glass lid lets you monitor dissolves and retain heat between batches. Rated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lid lower, the vessel works across induction, gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and hot plate tops, so you can cook anywhere from commercial kitchens to church halls. Mirror polished outside, matte inside, it looks pro and makes it easier to spot undissolved crystals during the early dissolve. Number 5. Cyrosa Candy Making Saucepan. Cyrosa's candy-making saucepan is a classic tri-ply stainless workhorse scaled for home confectioners who want even heat and clean pours without paying boutique prices. A pure aluminum core sandwiched between 1810 stainless runs through the whole body, so heat climbs the sidewalls instead of pooling at the base. That full-clad build minimizes ring scorching and reduces crystal seeding hotspots. A lightly matte interior disguises micro scratches that can trap sugar, and etched measurement marks speed precise sugar-to-water ratios or cream additions. Cyrosa includes a shatterproof glass lid with integrated straining holes, letting you drain nuts, candied peel, or gelatin sheets right in the pot. Compatible with induction, gas, electric, and halogen cooktops, the pan responds quickly to burner tweaks, giving you finer control at softball and hard crack thresholds. High-grade stainless resists rust, staining, and acidic fruit purees. Sticky residues usually release after a hot water soak or brief reboil. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.